The heart of every good home is the kitchen, and in this special segment we're focusing in on what makes it tick. We head to Adelaide into renowned chef Adam Swanson's own home for some tips on kitchen design, some food stories, and of course a mouth-watering recipe to get you inspired.
Hi, I'm Adam Swanson, and today I'm going to be cooking a beautiful stone fruit tart with a honey mascarpone and some sprinkle of almonds. Let's get into this recipe. I'm looking at this beautiful, luxurious nectarine. I'm going to use that for my tart. So all we're going to do is slice it straight down the middle. Now you just twist and turn, and you pop one side out like so. All right, so we have our wonderful nectarines there, and all we're going to do is just a little splash of olive oil on them, like so. Why olive oil? It's just going to help when we place them onto our grill plate over here and get beautiful grill marks going on. Okay, straight on. That's exactly what I'm looking for. That sizzle, that sound right there tells me that my plate is nice and hot. They're going to take about 1 to 2 minutes to get those beautiful char marks on them. Now, our La Casa del Formaggio mascarpone. So I have about, half a cup or so here. We're going to add some honey, just say teaspoon like so. Mix that into our mascarpone. Going to add some flaked almonds. Now I'm going to place some of these almonds into the pan too, just to give them a bit of colour, get that different flavour. So I'm having different contrast in the raw product in the mascarpone and this nice toasted flavour from the pan. Oh yeah, look at this. Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Nice char marks like so. What I'm going to do now is turn my pan off, come back to our mascarpone, give that a mix again. Really simple but elegant dish this is. Lovely. Take our stone fruit. We just need to slice the bottom of it, like so. And all we have here is some puff pastry here. One sheet that I've sliced into quarters. In goes your fruit in the middle. You're just going to roll the edges over. And you're going to roll it up until your tart is all the way around your fruit. When I mentioned the savoury element, here it is. It's a beautiful fresh thyme from my garden. I'm just going to scatter that vanilla sugar. And just what's going to happen, we're going to have like that little brulee element. So we're going to get that nice caramelised toffee top on top of our fruit. So repeat that process for the other 3 tarts there in the pastry. We're going to place it into the oven at 200 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes. Now, when you're thinking about kitchen floors and floors, I guess, throughout your household, my house, I have wooden floorboards. And the reason why I went that way was all about the textures and the elements. I have the beautiful stone here of the marble. I have a raw natural wood behind me as well. Then I have the black cupboards, but the oak on the ground was a pop for me. We absolutely loved it. And a good key point for us too, having 2 young children, is non-slip. It works a treat. So our tarts are ready to go in the oven. The oven's at 200 degrees. We're going to cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes till the pastry's nice and golden brown. To be honest, the reason why I chose floorboards in my house is the natural warmth that it brings, and also I hate wearing shoes and socks. Look at these glorious tarts, beautiful in colour. So just take them off there, be careful they're warm. Grab our mascarpone, just a generous dollop, I think, in the middle like so. To finish, don't forget those nice toasted almonds just over the top. So a few little flowers from my garden to garnish there. And the last one to finish is just a little bit of vincotto, just a little drizzle over the top. And there you have it, my grilled stone fruit tarts with beautiful honey and almond mascarpone. If you like this recipe, head on over to the Open Homes Australia website and check us out on Facebook and Instagram too.